washer dryer yesterday, the water heater, the furnace, those are the two small rooms by the garage, and then the plumbing fixtures like the toilet and tub. So today I'll show you again how to do that and then how to do the kitchen cabinets. So when you're putting in the components, we started with walls and we did the doors and windows, so you got those 3 buttons there. The next button, anything that's not a door or a window, it's considered a component. So that's the button you want to hit. If you hit the wrong button, like window, and you try to put in a washer or dryer, it's not going to let you do it. So you go to component, and then load family, and you got to find what you're looking for. So the washer and dryer are under specialty equipment, if you weren't here yesterday. So you find a specialty equipment folder under domestic, and you'll find washer, dryer. We're going to use the range. If you don't know what a range is, it's a combination oven and stove. That's what most people have in their house. So we'll put the range in. The refrigerator is in here, so we'll put the refrigerator in the kitchen. So that'll be the next things we'll do after that. So washer, dryer is super simple. Pick the one you want. Once you guys load whatever component you're looking for, or a door window, you should notice when I click component, in my properties here, it saves everything I've already loaded before. So this list is going to keep getting longer and longer. So you don't have to keep going back to load the family. So once you load it once, it's there. If you want to use it more than once. The kitchen cabinets, we're going to use the same size multiple times. So you don't have to keep going back and going to family and loading it. It'll be in your list here. All right, so for the bathroom, I'll start with that one because the bathroom's pretty easy to do. Go to component. The sink, the toilet, and the tub are all under plumbing because those are plumbing fixtures. So you've got to kind of take which folder they logically be in. Sometimes it's difficult to find stuff, but under architecture, fixtures, looking for bathtubs, there's your bathtub folder. Now you'll notice there's 4 of them. Anything 2D, it just draws a picture on the floor. It's not a 3-dimensional object. So if you put that in, it literally just with someone put a chalk outline of a tub on the floor. So you got to make sure you pick a 3D tub. So you can choose whatever one you want. You want a rectangular tub, you want the freestanding one. The one I put in was the freestanding one. So open the tub. Now mine's not facing the right direction, but still drop it in the room. And then you can just rotate it. So click on the object you want to rotate. Up here under modify, there's the rotate tool. Spin it, move it into place. Just get it close. There's no specific dimension. As long as you're close, it's fine. Look at that. I'm off a little bit, I'm off an inch. Yeah. So you can get really detailed, put a shower head in. You can get as detailed as putting a toothbrush on the countertop. You can get super detailed with Revit. Paint the walls, put the mirror on. We're not going to get that detailed. So the process for the cabinets and the countertops are the same for the kitchen. So for the kitchen, I gave you a list with all the cabinets numbered. Flip to the last page of your packet. I asked everybody yesterday to number the cabinet. That way you know what number and what size corresponds to the list. And we're going to start with the base cabinet. So start with the base and just put in each cabinet, rotate them, line them up, and then the upper cabinets we'll do next. But before that, let's put the fixtures in first. If you put the fridge and the range in the right spot, then you can build your cabinets around it. So if you put those in first, you can kind of work around that. The microwave was a little tricky to put in. I'll show you guys how to do the microwave later because it's kind of floating a little higher up above the range. So when you go to put in the components, just measure how far on the floor plan, how far the range is over. I'll tell you which range to use. Over that section. Lower. And then it's 192.
Unclick that. No, just unclick the check. Yeah. And then click the outside of the wall.
So after this, we'll do foundation, and then put the roof on. We're done.
Outside.
This definitely takes the longest to put the cabinets in.
Yeah. Windows?
Takes work.
See, that's a sick apple tree.
Make sure you use the vanity one for bathroom.
Why is the apple tree so obvious in this?
Someone had spent time on the trees.
Yeah, seriously, why the apple trees look so
When I show you at the end of the semester how to render and it looks real, like
so like not
it'll look like a real tree.
why is it so big?
Correct.
I'm keeping that there then.
That would be under specialty. They don't have a bifold on there. Yeah.
No,
Then use the
no,
60.
we'll blow it. No, the one above it. That, yeah. The roof? No, floor. Yeah.
If you make it even, or 84.
I couldn't see it.
You actually got to
I
close
just
off
said
the wall,
that.
right?
No, you-
Kevin won the dead one.
Yeah.
I think my dad has that one.
Yeah, Kevin Conley has
Well, what? That's not even.
I mean, there's that one too, but this one was brand new.
It's pretty funny. Well, not one.
And this one's like brand new too. So